Stainless steel cleaning tips. When cleaning your stainless steel, you want to use WD-40 and a microfiber cloth. WD-40 can stain your pavers and natural stone. Please be aware of this when applying to your appliances. To avoid stains on your countertops or pavers, do not spray WD-40 directly on appliances. Spray directly onto the microfiber cloth and go with the grain of your stainless steel. It's important to know that this only applies to the outside of your grill. The same method can be used on your other outdoor kitchen appliances. When cleaning the inside of your grill, you can take out the grill grates and soak them in a Rubbermaid tub with soap and water. Make sure after grilling your desired food to turn your grill on high heat to burn off oils, grease, or any sauces used during your cookout.